Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Hindi PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Trying to learn Hindi? You need a HindiPod101.com free lifetime account. It's one of the most powerful language learning tools you can command, and signing up takes less than 7 seconds. So what exactly do you get that makes it so special? First, new lessons are published every week, and you get them for free. Enjoy learning with fun and effective audio and video lessons with real teachers. Make the most of your study time as our teachers help you hack Hindi and get you speaking in minutes. Second, free instant access to the first 3 lessons of every lesson series. Explore and try any lesson series that interests you, from beginner to advanced. Find teachers you love and lessons for your goals. Third, learn Hindi anywhere, anytime with the free companion app. Download it now for free for the iPhone, iPad, or any Android device, and have instant access to your free lifetime account and lessons anywhere, anytime. Fourth, boost your vocabulary with the free word of the day. Every day, receive 1 new word in your inbox that you can master in seconds. Want even more words? 5. Get complete access to our word and phrase lists. Wow native Hindi speakers with cool topical and seasonal words and phrases from our lists. And finally, number 6, the best for last. 7 days of unlimited access to our entire library of audio and video lessons. Premium study tools like line-by-line audio, word bank, and smart flashcards to help you learn lightning fast. Get your free lifetime account right now at HindiPod101.com. Sign up in less than 7 seconds. And the account is yours for free for life. So what are you waiting for? Get yours now.
Namaste, this is Anuj from HindiPod101.com. Well, do you know how to say bye in Hindi? Well, if you don't, there's nothing to worry, because in this lesson you are going to learn 3 different parting expressions in Hindi. Okay, so let's start with the easiest way. Namaste. Namaste, which means goodbye in Hindi. Namaste. Well, namaste can be used both ways. It can be used as saying hello, and it can be used for saying goodbye. Namaste. Well, if you know that you are going to meet the person again, then there's another way of saying goodbye, which is phir milenge. Phir milenge. Well, you can use this sentence if you know that you're going to meet the person again, in which phir means again, milenge means we will meet. Phir milenge. Well, if you want to sound like a pro, there's another phrase to say goodbye, and that is al-vida. Al-vida, which again means goodbye. However, you won't listen this phrase as much as others, but yes, you can remember this because there are few people who use this word to say goodbye. Al-vida. Goodbye. So let's do a quick recap of whatever we have learned in this lesson. Just repeat the words after me. Goodbye. Namaste. Namaste. See you later. फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे. farewell, alvida. Alvida. Well done, everyone. So, here is a quick fun fact. There's no f sound in Hindi. There's no such sound. So, most of the times, people will use f instead of its right pronunciation, which is ph. So, if you hear someone saying fir milenge, that is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is phir milenge. I know it might be tough, but if you're learning it, learn it right way. Phir milenge instead of fir milenge. You have just learned 3 different ways of saying goodbye in Hindi. Well, for your information, you can learn Hindi twice as fast by just learning through our PDF lessons. If you want to download them, just click on the download link in the description section. See you soon. फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे.
Did you download your free PDF cheat sheets yet? These conversation cheat sheets are an easy way to speak more because you get cheat sheets for conversational topics like the weather, family, hobbies, and much more. And inside, you'll learn common questions and answers that you'd use in conversations, as well as tons of vocabulary. Don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description to get access.
How are your Hindi listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
एक आदमी डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक पर फ़ोन कर रहा है। उसे डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक पर कितने बजे पहुंचना है? नमस्ते, मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ?
आज क्लिनिक कितने बजे बंद होगा?
हम शाम के 6 बजे क्लिनिक बंद करते हैं, लेकिन 5:30 बजे से पहले आइए।
अच्छा, शुक्रिया।
उसे डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक पर कितने बजे पहुंचना है? एक आदमी डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक पर फ़ोन कर रहा है। उसे डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक पर कितने बजे पहुंचना है? नमस्ते, मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ?
आज क्लिनिक कितने बजे बंद होगा?
हम शाम के 6 बजे क्लिनिक बंद करते हैं, लेकिन 5:30 बजे से पहले आइए।
अच्छा, शुक्रिया।
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to HindiPod101.com, the easiest, smartest, and quickest way to learn Hindi online. My name is Anuj Khurana, and today's topic is quite interesting. Yes, so today we are going to discuss most favorite words which have been chosen by our fans. So let's begin. Dhanyavad, thank you. Our first word for today is Dhanyavad, which means thank you in English. मेरी मदद करने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for helping me. माँ, mother. माँ, which means mother. तुम्हारी माँ की तबीयत कैसी है? How is your mother's health now? खुश, happy. So the next word is खुश. खुश, which means happy. नेहा आज बहुत खुश है. Today, Neha is very happy. Namaste, hello. Namaste, which means hello. नाना जी को मेरी नमस्ते बोलिएगा. Say my hello to grandpa. उत्साहपूर्ण, lively or excited. उत्साहपूर्ण, which is pronounced as उत्साहपूर्ण, which means very excited, very lively. बच्चे घर से निकलते समय बहुत उत्साहपूर्ण थे. The children were very excited while leaving from home.
Samman, to respect.
सम्मान, which means to respect. मैं आपका बहुत सम्मान करता हूँ. I dearly respect you a lot.
Bharat, India.
भारत, which means India. मैं भारत का रहने वाला हूँ. I am a native Indian.
Mandir, temple.
मंदिर, which means temple in English. मैं हर रोज मंदिर जाता हूँ. I daily go to temple.
Kamal ka, awesome.
कमाल का और कमाल की, which means awesome. यह ड्रिंक बहुत ही कमाल की है. This drink is just awesome.
Shiksha, education.
शिक्षा, education. हर किसी को शिक्षा मिलनी चाहिए. Everyone should get an education.
Chutti, vacation.
Our next word is छुट्टी, holiday or vacation. वकुल ने आज एक छुट्टी ली है. वकुल has taken a holiday today.
Azadi, freedom.
आजादी, which means freedom. हमारे माता पिता ने हमें बहुत आजादी दी. Our parents have given us a lot of freedom.
ठीक है, it's okay.
ठीक है, which means okay. ठीक है, मैं दूसरे रास्ते से चला जाता हूँ.